There's a variety of home loans available out there, and you may be eligible based on your ethnicity. I never knew about this. And the birthday boy himself, Steve Currington with CurringtonMortgage.com is here. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, it's a little shout out first.
Yes, Dennis and Rebecca Currington are watching, my parents. So I told them I'd say, hey, Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
Thanks for doing what you did.
Yeah, yes.
We can't talk about it on TV.
No, no. Yeah, we're glad you're alive. We're glad you're born. So let's talk about this, the ethnicity loans. I know nothing about this.
Well, it's kind of like the meat loan from last week, right?
The USDA, right?
It's well, this is a 184 Native American loan, and this is really just a modified FHA loan. The benefits
are modified,
meaning that it's insured by HUD. It's modified in that it has less down payment. FHA requires 3.5%. This Section 184 Native American loan only requires 2.25% down.
Wow, cool.
There's also no monthly mortgage insurance.
Really?
Where FHA has monthly mortgage insurance. It still has an upfront, just like FHA, the 1% upfront that's financed in, but no monthly. So you can literally, I mean, if you qualify for it, it's great because your payment will be less than with a regular FHA.
Is it specific to certain tribes?
Yeah, you just have to be a card-carrying tribe member that can prove that you've got a card. I mean, that's what I say. You have to be a card-carrying Native American. But
it's not just for Cherokee, it's not just for Creek.
Nope, there's lots of down payment assistance programs through different tribes, like Cherokee, the Housing Authority of Cherokee Nation will give up to $15,000 for down payment and closing costs, and you can do that along with a 184 loan. Use your down payment and still do that. But
do you get a lot of people on this Native American loan, the FHA loan?
Yeah, we have a few in Oklahoma.
Okay. So. Now, do a lot of people not know about it? That's what, because
I
never heard of it.
I think so. I mean, there are a lot of people that do know about it. There's a lot of people that don't know maybe that they qualify for it, Just different programs. Everyone is unclear on what's available to them, and that's what our job is to find out what you're eligible for, and then sometimes you're eligible for a loan that isn't a good loan for you. It may not work for you. You're putting 20% down, maybe it isn't a good idea to do a 184 loan.
Okay.
So there's different reasons.
You got to talk to a professional and figure that stuff out.
Right, we should find one.
Yeah. We're funny. He's a funny guy. Now, not only this, about this, let me throw a little curveball at you, because somebody asked me the other day and said, I'm looking at buying a house. I hear the rates are low because you get all the pop-up ads on the internet. Oh, buy now. The rates are lower than they've ever been. Is it really a good time to buy a house?
I think it is. I mean, rates are low. We're refinancing a lot of people because rates are so low. We were doing these, USDA we talked about last week, at 7% barely 2 years ago, and they're at 4 1/8.
That's
so
really
these
good.
are APR. We can't say that on TV.
Right.
So check with your lender, but
yeah.
You're talking about a 3-point swing. So what happens is you buy more house for your money. So where you might not qualify for that higher house or that higher payment, you do, because that's a big swing in rates. It makes a difference.
We got to see if you're qualified, especially for the Native American loan. It sounds really cool. And and we're going to try to find a professional to have on the show that could really instruct you. Hey, happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.
What do you do for your birthday?
I don't know.
You gonna have a taco?
I have no
you gonna have a Dorito taco?
I think I am gonna go have a Dorito taco. I had a little bite of the other side of Lacey's.
There you go.
It was good, so I think I'm gonna go get one.
There you go. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah,
Happy birthday, man. You can reach Steve at Currington Mortgage Company. Give him a call at 918-394-5626, or email him and say happy birthday at steve@curringtonmortgage.com. I hope you get a ton of emails that say happy birthday. You can log on to curringtonmortgage.com.